This is a global emergency. You are listening to the station serving the Birmingham metro area.
This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test again, this is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. At 2:18 a.m. Western European Time, the newly independent country of Ohio has declared war on the world. This may seem ridiculous, however it happened after Putin called the governor old man.
The King of the United Kingdom will speak shortly.
Hello, my people, I would say good morning, however I cannot say it anymore, because Ohio has declared war on the world. Ohio has crazy monsters that will attack anyone except Ohioans. God save the United Kingdom. We will shortly broadcast the progress Ohio has made.
You cannot lie with your hands.
We interrupt your daily programming to bring you some updates on the Ohio situation at 5/6/15. Aliens have rioted Ohio, and Ohio no longer exists. The aliens are not dangerous at all. We thank you for your time. We interrupt your programming to bring you some news. Columbus, Ohio has been nuked by Russia. Ohio has surrendered. Unfortunately, Columbus will be uninhabitable for 2134 years. We thank you for your cooperation. Normal programming may now resume. We interrupt your programming to bring you some news. Governor Mike DeWine passed away of drinking poison, and Dave Brubeck has decided to make peace. Unfortunately, lost of land has been lost. We thank you for your cooperation with us.
Mástico do Kojo non Tona Kojo ben ba notre giolo Ici pour Ango Power Avec PES Togo Fini l'obscurité Aïla page 2 Kojo permet beaucoup le commun Toto Oh Kojo On m'a pas maintenant Oh on m'a pas maintenant Tiens va.
This is a global emergency. This is not a test. You are listening to the English broadcast. About 5 minutes ago, France fired a nuke at Ohio. Ohio in return tried to nuke Paris, however it ended up hitting Greenland. This is causing a global flood and nuclear war. In the next 48 hours, floods will occur all over the world. About 60 meters will flood.
Vous coûtez la mission frenaise, ILY a environ 5 minutes. LA France a tour ani nuke sur l'Ohio, Ohio and retour a SAD nuke Paris, two de fois. Il a fini par atteindre ili Groenland, cela provoque ani inondation mondiale et ani guerre nucléaire au cours des prochaines 48 heures, des inondat.
This is a global emergency. Information will be broadcasted shortly. This emergency was issued by Vladimir Putin at 5:36 Moscow Standard Time. Information will be broadcasted shortly. Stand by, please.
Hello my fellow Russians. Unfortunately, a very unfortunate event has happened that no one ever expected to happen. That event is Ohio taking over the world. I have issued this announcement to let everyone know that this is the end of our world as we know it.
There is no escape. The Ohioans have taken over the following continents: most of Europe, North America, South America, and Oceania. We have no chance against the monsters, so this is our final broadcast. We have came through other disasters, including the Cuban Missile Crisis and the World Wars. However, the Ohioans are unstoppable. It has been issued that it is best to do a activity you want. If you want suicide instead, jump from a high building head first and it'll come quickly. Or go into panic mode. There is no reason to be calm. There is no escape. The Ohioans and monsters soon sight will kill anything in its path except Ohioans. So brace for yourself. This is the last activation of global broadcasts. Goodbye, and I shall play the Russian anthem one last time. Goodbye, see you in heaven.
That was a message issued by Vladimir Putin at 5:36 Moscow Standard Time. We will play the anthem of Russia for the last time. Good night. Forever.